How to create a new Microsoft account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and search for Microsoft. In the results at the top, you will see the official website of Microsoft. You can either click on it or go to account to simply head toward the sign in page. After that, in the next page, you will be heading toward the sign in page of Microsoft. Once you see the option of sign in, you can either click on the option at the top right corner or click in the blue button of sign in. If you already have an account, enter your details and then you will be able to log in. But if you are new to Microsoft, simply click on create a new account. Then after, if you also don't have a Gmail, simply click on get a new email address. You can use your name and then the email will be created with @outlook.com. Click on next. Create a strong password for your Microsoft account. After that, in the next page, you need to provide your details. Provide your first name, provide your last name and click on next. After name, you need to provide your region, the country you reside in, your birth date. Then after, again click on next. Now the last step is you need to verify that you are not a robot. So simply follow the instruction given on your screen and then you will be able to create a new Microsoft account for yourself. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.